Hi, we're Taylor's cousins. He, the director of Pointless Films. So we're around with the car, and we took his phone and taped it to my radio controlled car. So let's get started. Now let's go get Taylor. Come on, set it down. Set the car down. Go, go, go.
Whoa! Wait a minute. What the heck? What y'all do to my phone?
What y'all do?
Ow! Oh, jeez! Oh. Man, that doesn't have to be chasing me, man. Is that my phone? Did y'all seriously put my phone on it? Really? Really? Come on now. You know I don't like cars. I like cars. Just let it be. Hey guys, what's happening? Y'all just experienced a really cool idea, but they epically failed. Hey, see, look at their faces. They're filled with despair. But yeah, be sure to leave a good comment. Be sure to favorite this video. You probably won't though, it wasn't even worth it. But be sure to subscribe. That button right there. And yeah, that's all I got. I'm going to have fun with my cousins. Hey! But wait, before you go, we added another bonus being that video wasn't long enough. So we're going to have this little competition. So my cousins right now have 2 cars. And whoever can hit my phone first with their car wins. And you think they won? They win a hug, probably. So let's get started.
Ready, get set, go! Oh, jeez, no, not the phone!
Oh! Oh. I think I should have seen that coming. I hope it didn't leave a scratch on it. But thanks for watching this video. Thanks for wasting your time. But I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Again.